Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss about forecast of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is 3rd of November. Today both indices performed well like the way we expected, but still we managed to close very strong in green. As I said earlier, generally speaking, US Fed events real move will come in US market on the very next day. Most probably we used to factor in that move on that particular day in our markets. That's the reason we have closed high on the higher note. But in US markets, there is a follow-up rally today. You see indices, US markets. See over here, everything is up more than 1%, 1.25, 1.29, 1.59, and 1.42% respectively. So we have another 2.5 hours left for US markets to close. Most probably I expect there will not be any sell-off in last hour also. It will continue and it will end at the highest point of the day today. That's the reason we are seeing GIFT Nifty also have surged up 113 points from our close. So what this 113 points means, it's going to be a breakaway gap above the resistance of 19,233. This is what we are speaking for last 2-3 days, right? So if it today's close is 19,144, even if it opens up 100 points, it is going to be 19,244. In such case, if we are sustaining above this 19,233, let's not have this number very strictly. Have a leverage of 90. Maybe today's high would be a good point. 19,175. If we are sustaining above 19,175 for 1 hour, maybe first hour until 10:15 a.m., most probably a short-term downtrend is over and we will march on the higher side as we are progressing towards Diwali. So this is the scenario as of now. If you ask me what is the support, today's low will be the support for you. I believe tomorrow we might not see uh, today's low getting even tested. So in such case, if you want me to say in some kind of ratio, I expect 80% that markets will be on the upside today. 20% chances that it may come and test today's low. So that's the uh, approach which I have right now. First support is 19,064 and the next support will be 19,000, which will be the round figure and a psychological number. And on the upside, as I said earlier, the resistance will be 19,233, crossing which the next resistance will be 19,333. This particular one. Sorry, this particular low, 19,333. Let us see how market progresses tomorrow. I believe it will move on the higher side. Why I am saying it so confidently means today the culprit is actually speaking HDFC Bank. When everything was standing on the higher side, this fellow alone fell down slowly from the highs. In fact, at one stage it was at 20 points in green, but in between the day, during the course of the day, it fell down and it came down minus 3-4 points. Finally, in the last half an hour, it gave a push as it was expiry, but that's not convincing. Similar way, Bajaj Finance, which opened 150 points, 100 to 150 points on the higher side in first 2 hours, slowly gave off all of its gains, and it was at minus 50 points at one stage. These two were the major culprits for today. Even though Bajaj Finance didn't have a significant weightage, but HDFC Bank has a very good weightage in index, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that was the reason we haven't closed um, above 19200 today. But tomorrow I expect this to happen. Why I am saying is, let's see what are all the Indian ADRs doing right now. HDFC Bank is up 2% and ICICI Bank is up 1.4%. Forget about the additional things which we have. Let's say even if these two are up by 1%, 1% by tomorrow, these two will contribute more than 200, 225 points in Bank Nifty. In Nifty, if these two are up by 1%, it will be like 25 to 30 points easily. 25 to 30 points easily, in the sense that is the minimum I'm saying. I'm not sure whether there will be more upside. So that's the reason I am little bit overconfident. Probably people may call it overconfident, but still I trust HDFC Bank than Reliance when it comes to market. Right. Now Bank Nifty. 2 consecutive days of doji. Generally speaking, in technical terms, doji means indecisiveness. Which means market is not ready to get a clear trend whether to move up or down. That is where when we will the candlestick will form a doji pattern. So 2 consecutive days. I'm not sure in last maybe 6 months I have not seen any 2 consecutive days of doji. Maybe one day I have seen plenty of times. Over here also you are seeing, and over here also you are seeing. So, but over here also, but I have not seen 2 consecutive days of doji. And the second one has also tested the 200 simple moving average and closed below it. So most probably tomorrow it will be a trending day kind of stuff in Bank Nifty if this falling trend line is taken out. This falling trend line. If my guess is correct, if the situation like today, as of present situation is replicating in markets tomorrow, say about 100 points gap up opening in Nifty, Bank Nifty will easily open up 200, 200 and 250, 200 to 225 points on the higher side. In such case, we will straight away take out the 200 simple moving average, which is at 43,197. The more we sustain above 200 simple moving average, is the more power it will gain, and it will try to march on the higher side. The only resistance will be this falling trend line. As soon as it crosses this falling trend line, and if it sustains for maybe 15 minutes or so, that is more than enough for a 200-point rally intraday in Bank Nifty. The only thing which may um, I mean make the fall by end of the day will be weekend factor. People who are not willing to carry positions over the weekend in this kind of uncertain markets might book profits, and there might be a small sell off in last 30 minutes or so. That is the only thing which may spoil the momentum, or else I expect a trend day both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So coming back to Bank Nifty, if you ask me what is the support, today's low will be the support. 42,796 will be the support, and resistance I have already told you, 200 simple moving average, crossing which this falling trend line will be the resistance. Above that, there is the next level will be the 20 simple moving average, which is at 43,644. I would not say that it will come immediately tomorrow itself, but there are good chances it will come over a period of time, maybe in another couple of days. So that's all we have now for our analysis. Please feel free to give a like and share this video to your friends. Have a nice day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.